common nighthawk. Let's just say he fell off a rooftop when he was just a few days old, not even bigger than your own hand. We try to release him back out there where he's mature enough, but the thing is, when a common nighthawk try to catch his food while in flight, but for him, he was found on the ground, so can't be released. So this is his forever home, and his favorite treats is mealworms and just puppy chow. Well, it's like dog pellets, but you just have to leave them out to make it soak in. And he just like, gimme, 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 gimme. Gimme, 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 gimme. Hey, Luke, ready? See? You develop a good bond. She trusts me. But every time I came out here, she just hawks me. Every time I do Jefferson here, he just like. Because every time we talk about something funny, she does the. He's tortoise. There's a big difference because turtles and tortoises. Because turtles, they have like red feet, so they can swim easily. Tortoises, they're just rock, they just stay on land. But he came to us from, someone just took him from her native habitat, either here or somewhere out of state, within the US or anywhere. So we don't know where he came from, so this is his forever home. There's a difference between Humane Society, the zoo, and here, all because of one simple act can make a very big difference. And all it took is just like help that little turtle get across the street. That's what I like about it here. Good memories, awesome animals. You get to learn so much, and you get some experiences. So many. It gets you. I'm not sure. I guarantee you could do animal zookeeping at the zoo, but hey, I'll keep on trying and keep on learning. So stick around, would ya? Once you get onto the narration, you have to talk about animal facts and just give them like a few jokes and some African folklores, and just make sure everyone gets their belongings together so they don't lose it, like pacifiers, keys, phone, wallet, or American Express, or you just don't want to lose it, man. Come on. Good afternoon, welcome aboard the African Safari Express, and I'll give you some details. Keep your arms, legs, your kids, any vital parts inside where the train is in motion. And again, no eating or drinking except water where the vehicle is in motion. And the entire zoo facility is smoke vape free, so let's get this party trailer moving. Got ourselves some factory camels, and did you know there's two different types of camels? One is the dromedary, which has one hump, and the other is factory ants, because they have two humps.
Hurry up, take a picture. Turn around and pay attention. Come on.
Hey, you're a little picky eater. They love the course. Rocket and Franklin. It's okay, they just want the lettuce.
Can I hold
See?
your lettuce for you?
That's just it.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.